Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from the Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Cisco, and other important hiring. So first important hiring from the Wipro, they are hiring intern LO and job location is Bangalore. And talking about the job description, so this is a internship, okay, and you will collaborate with global teams and senior leader on internal initiative, and initiative will offer practical experience and exposure. So this is the important opportunity you should apply, okay. So for applying, just click over here, apply now, and you will be directed to new window, and there you have to basically provide all the important detail. Next important hiring from the Tech Mahindra, and this is walk-in drive for the Kolkata location, and the job role is customer support associate acceleration desk. So if you are interested, so this is work from office and training and job both process, okay, domestic wise process. So if you are interested, then you can apply, and salary is 2.2 LPA, and this is the shift timing and all things. So if you are interested, you can carry your CV and Aadhaar card to here. Okay, next important hiring from the Cisco, they are hiring the machine learning engineer masters intern and India engineering Splunk UHR. So this is a job location Hyderabad, and this is the internship apprenticeship based, and this is an important hiring everyone should apply. So student who is graduating in 2027, they are eligible for this. Okay, so this is a good important internship, okay, and you can go through complete career detail, and if you are interested you can apply. Next important hiring from the Unisys, they are hiring associate engineer Azure Cloud, and job location is Bangalore, and this is full-time job. Talking about the important things, so BA, BS degree and 0 to 2 year relevant experience in OR equivalent combination of educational experience are eligible for this. So if you are interested, you can apply for this important job hiring. And friends, I regularly post lots of important job update from the Economics Times, Service Now, and other important hiring has been announced, and भाई आप लोग को अप्लाई करते रहना चाहिए, ओके. एंड last important, and this is job update, I have already provided this related to Cognizant. So if you are from 2024 or 2025 pass out batch, then this is important and golden opportunity. So they have extended the date, okay. So 3-year full-time degree course, 2024 2025 graduate Cognizant, and CTC they have not specified, so that completely depend on the hiring process. Means फर्दर हायरिंग में आप लोग को मीन्स उसका इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कर दिया जाएगा. एंड एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया यू कैन सी दिस, यू शुड हैव 60%, and that is the important requirement from the Cognizant. So go and apply, and I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe us for getting any important update. Okay, hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask your comment here, and must join our WhatsApp group, Telegram study group. There I posting lots of job update. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.